Ladies and gentlemen, we're back into the studios, and there is a video out there. Yes, a video of at Takrade in Tuta location of a railway line where the Galamsey, due to the how the illegal miners are, omutu galano akoye railway lines, no. You understand? So listen, what I'm trying to say is, so what are you going to do to prevent these things from happening again? You see, we are in a country of um 30 something million people in our country, but there is something that we can handle. You see, the MPP came around and we were like, oh come on, they can't fight it, and the NDC is in power right now, and even the MPP are also giving them the motivation that they should try and face this. You see, a bit to them, but the dino is hanging there. Obi to gold down, to gold na assassin to grab it as. So you are there, you're staying in your room, but your building is hanging around. You understand? We are in a country where you share government. Obi say government are there but on one kasana they are not so be saying and they are then you see, so basically would I now cost about 10,000 Ghana cedis. Government basically they cost about 100,000 Ghana cedis because government is government. You see, government are they now and say yeah, for the benefit of him, it's for the benefit of the whole country. So government can see a whole stadium. No, when you bear me make us see a whole stadium. I'm saying bear 10,000 out of the 10,000 revenues are made generating. Met me some small asset theft. Na me the jiska. You understand? But government cast or stadium or yes stadium make it will generate work for others to also do it. So some of the 10,000 the basic stadium government at the bare 20,000 and the basic and I said 100,000 and the basic stadium. So the government is something that and say heading. Yeah, saying in your man. You see, rural lines no Ghana of late as me who say baby I started train I started year juma. Yes, train I started year juma. Share train I started year juma. Say even this class I'm about some be fix railway lines so. I mean I know what to assassinate you. So I'm railway line now. Train never fasten a mood run can cause something else. Right? The weight of the train it can cause something else because what the dear assassin illegal miners, more the assassin. That is why the government of Ghana at the and for soldiers about out say among chichi among dodgy themselves in Galamsey. Yes, there are pictures out there. Chichi ebimo, right? So please, if you are engaging yourself in illegal mining, please kindly stop. You are killing our mother Ghana. You see, Nasi also brought a song out, and I'll be doing a very nice reaction video about it. So don't worry, take calm, stay put. I'll be bringing you a song reaction of it. Let me chip in this. Since I'm talking about Galamsey, let me chip in this. Woon to me has been rearrested again. Yes, officially, and it is getting worse. It is getting worse. You see, Woon to me was yet sake of Iyoku. And now Namia Dumusa with me no but I'm not asking him say wako Galamsey issue ya illegal mining akonta mining and whatever. Yes asking him because of the things. No, I shouldn't say the thing, that is how it is. Or no ana or two mining ana ma nkrofo bi nso ye den account, and right now you're charging your money bill of 1 million old Ghana cedis. 1 million old Ghana cedis. This is a huge amount of money because me I don't see that it's a money that want to me can pay. You to me can pay because any of it you see I didn't tell Ghana young consider this on say obi was here no bre no could do so. Yes, that person want to see ne kanina say no wabre answer no could do so until also ne kanina. You understand? But it's something I wish and say yes, yeah, dodgy as of in. You see, as a Ghanaian, if you want to really forget about the leaders, make something that will be meaningful for you. Share whatever the leaders will say, what's your say? But what are you saying? What are you doing? You see, this mentality we actually trimmer to the sense of it's going wayward. is going on. You see, MPP was now to me can say anything. A video even popped out and said, Ghana, Menya Ghana Nibium, when you're Ghana Nibium, but how you were on the seats now, Kasano, now you are off the seats, you can't talk anymore. You understand? So please, please, please. One to me has been fined and has been rearrested, and it's getting worse. Things are really getting worse. So it is because of the Akonta mining sector. So please, if you are new here, kindly subscribe, click on the notification bell so that anytime I drop any video, you'll be the first person to get it. Thank you.